How to make learning more automatic. For the consistent progress, we need to make learning a habit. About 40% of everyday life is shaped by habits. If we have habits that work for us, we're far more likely to be happier, healthier, and more productive. There are strategies which can be helpful for making a habit of on-the-job learning. 1. Take time to think big. It can be hard to step back and think about what matters most. Maybe you want to go for a long bike ride. Where do you want to be in 2 years? How could you develop your skills to make your work more interesting? Some people prefer to do this kind of thinking alone, with just a pad of paper. Others prefer to talk it out with a few trusted co-workers or an old friend. 2. Take time to think small. Sometimes people get overwhelmed when they try to make grand plans or ask huge questions, so it's also useful to focus on small, manageable steps that you can incorporate into your life immediately. 3. Ask yourself, whom do you envy? Envy is an uncomfortable emotion, but it's instructive. If you envy someone, that person has something you wish you had. Do you envy your friend who gets to travel all the time or the friend who never has to travel? 4. Be specific about what you're asking of yourself. Resolutions like read more or learn new things are too vague. Put your resolution into the form of a concrete, measurable, manageable action. Such as spend 2 hours every Thursday afternoon reading all the articles I saved during the week. Being specific helps you figure out what to do. 5. Monitor your habit. Research shows that simply by monitoring a behavior, we tend to do a much better job of it, whether it's how many daily steps we're taking or how many cold calls we're making. The same is true of how many instructional videos we're watching or how often we make time to practice a new skill. Keep track, and you'll push yourself in the right direction. 6. Schedule time for your habit. Something like research such and such is a goal that can keep getting pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. Schedule a specific time for research and learning. 7. Avoid procrastination. When you schedule time to do certain work, you should do that work, and nothing else. No filing, no cleaning, no checking emails. Otherwise, you may work and work and work, and never get around to doing the very thing you set out to do. 8. Spend time with people who have the habits of learning. Studies show that we tend to pick up habits from the people around us, so choose your company wisely. If you know that some of your coworkers make on-the-job learning a habit, go out of your way to spend time with them, and you'll more easily pick up that habit yourself. And the most important thing to remember about habit change is when we understand ourselves, we can apply habit-forming strategies with the greatest chance of success.